Welcome back to our channel where we explore all things related to real estate and home improvement. Hi, I'm Suma, the real estate broker in the Bay Area. In today's video, we will be discussing renovation and home improvement ideas that can significantly increase the value of your property. Whether you are planning to sell your home or simply want to enhance its worth, these tips will surely come in handy. Let us start with one of the most impactful areas of any home, the kitchen. Upgrading your kitchen can add tremendous value to your property. Consider replacing outdated appliances with energy efficient ones, installing stylish countertops and updating cabinets with a fresh coat of paint or replacing them altogether. Creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen will make a lasting impression on potential buyers or add to your daily enjoyment if you plan to stay. Next, let us talk about bathroom upgrades. Bathrooms are another key selling point for buyers, so investing in renovations here can pay off. Upgrades the fixtures such as faucets, shower heads and lighting to more modern and energy efficient options. Consider replacing worn out flooring with tiles or durable materials and give the walls a fresh coat of paint. And don't forget to declutter and create ample storage space as it adds value and functionality to the bathroom. Let us step outside and focus on enhancing your property's curb appeal through landscaping. A well-maintained and visually appealing front yard can make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Consider planting colorful flowers, trimming the hedges, and adding attractive landscaping features like a stone pathway or a garden. A manicured lawn and a welcoming entrance can significantly increase the value of your property. Energy efficient improvements are not only great for the environment but also highly attractive to potential buyers. Upgrading to energy efficient windows, installing solar panels, and improving insulation can reduce energy cost and increase your home's value. Showcasing these eco-friendly features in your home will resonate with the environmentally conscious buyers. Lastly, consider other remodeling tips that can add value to your property. This could include updating the flooring throughout the house, adding a fresh coat of paint to the walls, and replacing outdated light fixtures with more modern options. It's important to focus on neutral color schemes and timeless designs that appeal to a wide range of tastes. Remember, when investing in renovations and home improvements, it is very essential to strike a balance between cost and potential return on investment. Choose upgrades that offer the most value and appeal to potential buyers. That wraps up our video on renovation and home improvement ideas that can increase your property's value. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more real estate and home improvement contents. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Again, I am Suma, the real estate broker and realtor in the Bay Area. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.